let's open her up, guys. Don't judge. Mom life. Oh my god, I'm scared to go in here myself. Hello everyone, welcome to La Vida with Kim, guys. Today it is a bag switch type of day, guys. Summer is over. Thank the Lord, guys, because I was so over this weather already. And fall is here. So I have my beautiful customized Marc Jacobs tote bag right here by me, guys. If you guys saw that video where I transformed 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽's bag from 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽's journey, guys, go check out that video. I'll link it down below. But yeah, guys, I was feeling inspired and this is what I created for myself, guys. I am obsessed and I am totally gonna be using this bag this fall, guys. So this was my summer bag that I use basically the whole summer, guys. I did switch out a few times, but overall this was my summer bag, guys. So it is a hot mess. Brace yourself, guys. Don't freak out. Okay, I'm usually on the run when I do have my bag with me, so just breathe. Okay, hopefully this is therapeutic because it is gonna be for me, guys. So let's bag switch. Okay, let's open her up, guys. Don't judge. Mom life. Oh my god, I'm scared to go in here myself. So this is how she is looking right now, guys. I'm telling you, I just throw everything in here. I don't even know where to start. Oh my gosh. Mind you, I use the sides of my inserts as pockets too. Oh my gosh. I have a freaking mess in here, guys. Oh my Lord Jesus. Help me through this. Oh my gosh. So this is my 𝓵𝓸𝓷𝓽, guys. I have her full of crap, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna start by taking out everything I have in here. My lotion, guys, my Bath and Body Works lotion. I love to carry these little mini sizes because, you know, with all that hand sanitizer, your hands can get ashy, guys. So I do have my blinged out 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽, guys. I love this hand sanitizer. Super cute, guys. I blinged it out myself. I have the DIY video also, guys, linked down below. So yes, I always have lotion and hand sanitizer. I'm not gonna put these into the new bag, so I am gonna put this to the side. Everything I'm not gonna use on this bag, I'm gonna put to this side. I also have, guys, my little pouch. This is a Juicy Couture little pouch that I got years ago, guys. Oh my gosh, that I actually use to put my pads in, guys. And you're probably like, why do you have that when you have pads over there? Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know, guys. I don't know, I just have crap everywhere. So I'm gonna take these out of the way, guys. I probably, you know what, I'm gonna put some of these over here because I'm gonna need some. It's always better to be prepared, right? I also have my little microphones that I carry in my purse just in case I ever go anywhere and I want to record something with the charger, the headphones. So I keep these in a little baggie like this. They don't take up no space at all, guys. Look, I also have my charger. I love this one. I have two actually in here. I don't know why. This one's like super old. But yeah, I have two portable chargers because, like I said, if I have to record anything ever, I need to make sure my phone is fueled up, you know? So I'm gonna just put one in my purse. And I love this one because it is super small, guys. I just plug it into my phone and that's it. I always make sure these are fully charged. Got this off Amazon. I'll link it down below also. Oh my gosh, guys, can you see how crazy this is? Okay, so this is my card holder, guys. I do have some cards in here, my main cards, because like I said, I do take my purse out, but sometimes, like, let's say I'm just running to drop off the kids at school, right? I'm not gonna take my whole purse with me, you know, so I just take my cards just in case I have to run somewhere real quick. But yeah, I usually keep this in here. I have my wallet with everything else in there, or sometimes I'm just too lazy to switch stuff out, so I do have both of my little wallets, I guess you can say. Oh my gosh, guys. I have a hand sanitizer holder that has no hand sanitizer because I actually switched them out. I love to use these little pocket bags from Bath & Body Works, and I always have one in my keys. So I switched this one out for my fall one, which is a little pumpkin one already. So I do have this one in here that I needed to take out. I have some stickers from my channel that I keep in here just in case, you know, I ever bump into somebody. Sometimes I'll have people like ask me, oh, where'd you get those Crocs from, or like stuff that I bling out, you know. I usually have people like ask me, oh, where'd you get that from? And I'm like, I did it myself, here's my channel, you know, a mini promotion. So I always carry these. I'm like, here's my channel name, you know, look me up, whatever, stuff like that. So I keep these in there. I have pepper spray, guys, because you can never be too careful. People are crazy right now. You know what I mean? I have some chapstick in there, guys. This is basically like, I just throw everything in here, guys. Everything. Look at that cochinero. Oh my gosh. I even have this, guys, a freaking souvenir, a quinceañera souvenir. Oh my gosh, that my mom gave me from a quinceañera she went to, one of my cousins, I think it was, a while ago. And I still have it in here. Oh my gosh. I have a bunch of receipts, guys. Oh my god. From when I run to the grocery store. Straw things. Oh my Lord Jesus. And then a bunch of probably old coupons too. Let me check them. Let me check if they're good. This one expires, oh, after you buy something 10 days. This shit's been gone. Shit's been expired. Otro. This one's still good. Oh my gosh, guys. How embarrassing. This one is still good too. And this one is expired. Oh my gosh, guys. How embarrassing. If you saw the thing, I have a quarter in here. If you saw the scanny thingy blocked up, it's probably because the coupon's still good and I'm not about to have somebody steal my coupon because I use them. Well, not all the time because obviously I have all these expired ones, but overall I try my best. Okay, nothing in there, nothing in there. Ooh, more stuff in here. These are probably all expired though, so I throw them over there. Yep. I try to use all my coupons, but at the same time I try to hide them too so I don't go crazy. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, more crap, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, I found this one in the car, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna put it on my wall. Some old cough drops, more receipts, some chapstick. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so sorry for this mess. Oh, and I also, oh, my husband's sticker too. He has a YouTube channel. If you guys have hubbies that are into like car DIYs, he does have a channel. Tell your hubbies to go check him out. I keep his stickers in here because sometimes we'll be out too and then people will ask him about his channel and then he'll be like, do you have any stickers? So I always have like some extra ones of his too. Hair ties, guys. Hair ties are a must. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I love to have my hair up. More coupons. Old coupons. Yep. From freaking May, guys. Oh my god. More stickers. And then my abuelita. Oh my gosh. She is my saint, guys. I take her everywhere. I love you, abuelita. She is always, always with me, guys. Always. But yeah, that's it, guys. I am finally done. I am finally done dismembering this bag, guys. Oh my gosh, it was a mess. I need to clean that up. I'll throw it in the washer. But yes, okay. Get this bag out of the way. And now to my beautiful, beautiful tote bag, guys. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I should get an insert for this one, right? Okay, guys, so this one doesn't have an insert, so I'm gonna have to put everything kind of into little pouches. So I'm gonna begin by putting my wallet in here. I already grabbed all the cards that were in that little pouch and I put them in here. So I just have one wallet now. I also have this medium-sized pouch from the 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽 set that I'm gonna stuff with my abuelita's picture. I'm gonna put it right here in the back, so she's always with me. Like I said, I don't have an insert in here, so I have to like figure out ways to how to keep everything organized. I'm gonna put some chapstick in here. I don't wear a lot of makeup, guys, so there's no need for, you know, all that extra stuff. I also have this little sweater for my coffee, guys, whenever I go to Starbucks, you know, because the fall is here, guys, and that coffee is coming, guys, so just to make it look more fancy-wancy. I'm also going to add a mirror, but I'm debating which one, guys. Look at this. I have this super cute little pumpkin mirror that I got recently. Super, super cute. And then this one that I blinged out, guys. What do you guys think? Which one should I add in here? And it does light up, guys. How freaking cool is that? I don't know. Which one? I think I'm going to go with the jack for now. I'm gonna put it in there. She's pretty much stuffed now, so I'm gonna put her. This is gonna be, I'm gonna call this my cosmetic pouch, okay, even though there's like basically nothing in there that's cosmetic, but yeah. So I have these two so far. I'm gonna keep using my pad pouch, guys. I'm probably gonna have this forever. Never too careful. That goes there. I also have this little cereal pouch, guys. How cute is this? I'm gonna put the stickers in here that I was telling you guys about, just to keep them from, you know, going everywhere. So it's looking super, super neat in there compared to how it was, you know. I'm gonna switch over to Vampire Blood Lotion because it's Halloween season. I have my charger that goes with me everywhere, my headphones, and my pepper spray, guys. And that's pretty much it. Super, super organized compared to how it was, guys. I don't carry too much stuff. I keep it simple. So yeah, what do you guys think? So this is how my bag is looking so far. But guys, of course, you know, charms are super in right now. So that's how the inside looks. But outside, once I add my super cool strap, look at this. It's Jack, guys. This is a Loungefly strap, guys. Oh my god, I love it. Since this bag doesn't have really much areas, you know, to add charms or stuff, you know, I'm gonna hook it up to my strap right here. I'm going to put my hand sanitizer, my Jack Skellington blinged out hand sanitizer, right here. I'm gonna clip it right here, so it's like hand sanitizer slash charm, you know. And then I'm gonna add my Oogie Boogie mini Loungefly backpack, guys. What do you guys think? This one actually glows in the dark to give it more color, you know. And I'm gonna put my hair ties and hair clips in here. And I'm gonna clip it on the other side. Like this. How cute is that? But yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. What do you guys think? How cute is this? Oh my gosh. I was thinking of adding like my my Jack bubble bar charms, but like I said, the straps are too thick. They don't fit. So I can't. But I wish I would have been able to. How cute would that have been? You know what I mean? Like right here, more charms. These are just way too thick, guys. They don't fit. But I love it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I'm so sorry you had to see that mess I had in the back, guys. But overall, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Go check out all my other videos, guys. I have a bunch of stuff going on my channel, guys. Go check it out. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and then guess what? This just came in the mail right now. Look at this. It's a charm from Tokyo Disney, guys. I saw this on Mercari and I ordered it and it came in right now, guys. Oh my gosh, you know I have to add this. I actually bought this charm just for this bag and I've been literally waiting for like a month. And it came in right now, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna add this. I wanted it because look, it's a long like little chain here that I can literally just hook up wherever I want. It goes around here. So look at this. Oh, I don't know if I should put it over there or over here. Here maybe, so it kind of evens out. I'm gonna hook it right here, and look at that, it's Jack. Look, oh my god, how cool is that, right? This is the coolest charm ever. I swear Tokyo Disney always gets the best charms. But yeah, guys, look at that. Super cute, guys. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.